The 2025 Sherco 450 SEF Factory is a high-performance enduro motorcycle designed for extreme terrains and professional racing. Built with advanced technology and premium components, it delivers a perfect blend of power, agility, and durability. This motorcycle is part of Sherco's factory lineup, which means it comes equipped with race-ready features straight from production, eliminating the need for extensive modifications. Sherco, a French motorcycle manufacturer, has been producing high-quality off-road motorcycles since its founding in 1998. The 450 SEF Factory is a result of years of innovation and refinement in the enduro segment. This model is specifically designed for riders who demand peak performance in challenging conditions, making it a popular choice in competitive racing. Over time, Sherco has gained a reputation for producing motorcycles that rival well-established brands in the industry, with its focus on lightweight construction, advanced suspension systems, and top-tier engineering. The Sherco 450 SEF Factory is widely used in Europe, particularly in countries like France and Spain, where enduro racing is highly popular. The brand has also made a significant impact in Australia and the United States, where off-road enthusiasts and professional racers appreciate its powerful engine and excellent handling. While it may not have the global dominance of brands like KTM or Honda, Sherco has carved out a loyal following among serious riders who prioritize performance and innovation. This bike has gained immense popularity among enduro enthusiasts due to its superior engineering, reliability, and racing pedigree. Riders appreciate its ability to tackle rough terrains with ease, making it a favored choice in major off-road events. The Sherco 450 SEF Factory stands out in its segment thanks to its powerful engine, precise handling, and high-end factory components that make it race-ready straight out of the box. Powered by a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, four-stroke engine, the Sherco 450 SEF Factory delivers impressive torque and acceleration, making it a beast on dirt trails and rugged terrains. The bike is equipped with an advanced fuel injection system, ensuring smooth throttle response and optimal power delivery across various riding conditions. It features a lightweight frame, top-tier WP suspension, and Brembo brakes, offering excellent stability and control even on the most demanding trails. Despite its high performance, the fuel efficiency of the Sherco 450 SEF Factory is quite reasonable for an enduro bike of its class. Its fuel injection system ensures efficient combustion, allowing riders to maximize fuel economy without sacrificing power. While it is not designed for long-distance touring, its fuel efficiency is sufficient for competitive racing and trail riding. One of the standout capabilities of this motorcycle is its ability to handle extreme off-road conditions with ease. Whether tackling steep inclines, rocky paths, or deep mud, the Sherco 450 SEF Factory offers exceptional traction, agility, and stability. Its lightweight construction allows riders to maneuver it effortlessly, while the powerful engine provides the necessary torque for conquering any obstacle. The key features of the Sherco 450 SEF Factory include a race-ready 450 cubic centimeters engine, WP suspension for superior shock absorption, Brembo braking system for precise stopping power, an advanced fuel injection system for smooth performance, and a lightweight chassis that enhances agility. Additionally, it comes with premium components such as a factory racing exhaust, high-quality tires, and reinforced bodywork designed to withstand rough riding conditions. The price of the Sherco 450 SEF Factory varies by region, but it generally falls in the premium category of enduro motorcycles. In most markets, it is priced competitively against models like the KTM 450 EXC-F and Husqvarna FE 450, making it an attractive choice for riders who want top-tier performance without compromising on quality. Its biggest selling point is its race-ready nature, meaning riders get a high-performance enduro bike straight from the factory without needing additional upgrades. With superior handling, advanced suspension, and a powerful engine, the Sherco 450 SEF Factory is an excellent choice for professional racers and serious off-road enthusiasts looking for a competitive edge on the trails.